So we're on our way from Ipoh to Butterworth to get to Georgetown. 3-hour train ride. So yeah, I just wanted to have a bit of a chat. Just the cloudiness of adoption and how it makes you feel. You know, I might be travelling these wonderful destinations, but it's quite weird in the in between times when you're sitting and waiting. Yes, you, like everyone else, you have to do the normal things to wait, and departure times and all the usual things that everyone else has to do. But when in between those areas and time frames, there's cloudiness in adoption. It seems very, I don't know, you get lost in those moments. So you've got to try and figure out where you're going to go, what you're going to do. So these inconvenient things happen at the most ridiculous times. Usually when you're the most stressed. It's something that I don't think anyone else could ever comprehend if you aren't an adopted person. So there's that. And it's the irony of travelling in these wonderful places, experiencing these things, these places and people. At the same time, you're disconnected and trying to make sense of your relationships, past and present, even your future relationships, even with strangers. It's hard. It's really hard. So, bring on Georgetown. Let's see what happens.
Stasiun terakhir, Padang Rengas. Ini adalah destinasi terakhir. Sulit pastikan tiada barangan yang tertinggal. Kami mengucapkan terima kasih dan semoga berjumpa lagi.
One station, Padang Rengas. This is our final destination. Kindly ensure that none of your belongings are left on board. We would like to thank you, and we hope to see you again.